Build new customers. How beauty shops, salons, and spas can attract new clients and grow retail sales. Attracting new customers is always a priority for beauty businesses, but converting them into loyal, repeat clients, and retail buyers should be part of your strategy. By incorporating effective sales techniques and creating a seamless retail experience, you can build a strong customer base that contributes to your bottom line. Tips for building new customers and retail sales: offer exclusive promotions for first-time clients. Create introductory offers that bundle services with retail products. For example, a first-time client package could include a service, like a haircut or facial, and a discount on retail products. This strategy will not only bring in new clients but will also get them used to purchasing from your retail selection. Offer samples and trial sizes. Let customers experience your products before they commit to full-size purchases. Offering trial sizes or sample packs during a visit gives customers the opportunity to try products without feeling like they're taking a risk. This can lead to higher sales once they see the results. Develop referral programs. Encourage existing customers to refer new clients to your salon, spa, or beauty shop by offering incentives like discounts on future products or services. Referral programs help you build a loyal customer base while expanding your reach. Host special retail events or pop-ups. Organize events where customers can try new products, experience live demos, or receive personalized skincare or beauty consultations. Offering exclusive deals during these events will increase retail sales while attracting new customers to your business. How BNTC Retail Plus can help you attract new customers. The BNTC Retail Plus program simplifies the process of growing your retail sales, offering the tools and support you need to attract new clients. Turnkey inventory management. With Retail Plus, managing inventory becomes effortless. It ensures that you always have the right products in stock and ready to sell, which is critical to making a good first impression on new clients. Effective retail training and support. The Retail Plus program provides comprehensive training for you and your team on how to sell retail effectively. With expert knowledge of the products, your staff will feel more confident and able to engage with new clients to generate sales. Face Bar services for repeat business. Adding beauty and the city face bar to your business gives clients a reason to return, creating a cycle of repeat business. Offering facial services that use the retail products you sell is a powerful way to convert first-time buyers into long-term customers.